So here we are, gonna head down the road from my house, sit and rescue another old Chevy frame. We're thinking this one may be a pickup, old pickup frame. I thought it was a 4-cylinder. The guy says it's a 6-cylinder. You know, there's no head, no nothing, stripped down, just a block sitting in the frame, melted into the ground. So when I get closer, I'll give you some more footage here. Alright. Okay, here we are pulling in for, I think, maybe the last load of the old rusty iron. This is his driveway right here. And pan over here. And that's what we're after. Old Chevy. We're thinking truck frame. Can't even see it. It's all buried in the ground for years and years, 50 plus years. So I'll get over there and get some more footage of it, show you what I mean. Here we got helper. Here's our helper. Off it goes. Here he goes down the hill. Gonna head out there, fish our way through the woods to get to this thing. We're not quite sure what it's gonna take. I guess we probably should have brought a chainsaw too. I'm not sure, but anyway, it's over here. He's making away on an old trail. Here's the help. Got 2 helpers today. Huh? Isn't that right? So it looks like he's getting to it. Oh, there it is. It's right there already. Alright, well, looks like I better get down there. Okay, well, try to get this thing finagled around. Let's just go right to here. So let's check this thing out. This, like I said, this is the first thing I spotted. You can barely make out the frame sticking out of the dirt there. When we get up here to the front, it is a 6-cylinder. Not. Yeah, didn't realize that. But you can see the front ends there. We got chrome caps. Ooh, this looks like it had. Yeah, it had white or wooden spoked rims too, because there's the rim right there, rotted into the ground. All right, well, let's see what we can do to get it out of there. Oh, here's the hood. Gotta have the hood. Alright, let's do it to it. Alright, let's get it poked out of the ground and see what's going on. Side hilling here with the tractor, I don't like it. You can tell he don't either. But let's see what's going on. Okay. Let's see what we get when we lift it up. No, I think you can go up. Okay, so we got it chained to the front. Let's see if we can drag it out. Uh-oh. Whoa. Just a second. I'm going to have to rehook. Alright, one more time here. We'll try it. Yep, up. Oh. Going up. Going up. Up. Certainly, why not? And we back it out, I think. See how it works. Oh, there's no rear end. Imagine that. Is that front end bent? It is. It's not a straight axle no more. It's a banana axle. Alright, well, let's do it. Okay, I think we have it up on the tractor. Get a couple safety chains on it. We're out there. He's out there looking for a trail out of here. Alright, the trail we come in is not quite as wide as this thing is. But also, I thought this was a Chevy. And I am wrong. It is not a Chevy. The cap on the bent straight axle says Maxwell. So, news to me, Maxwell. So I got a Chevy, a couple Chevys. And I got a 6-cylinder Maxwell here. Good to know, huh? I guess I got it mixed up. Walk around without falling down. So, anyway, that is the last of the 3 old rusty things I found here. You know, I don't know other than a piece of yard art if it's going to be any good for anything, but we'll see. Who knows? Maybe somebody needs some Maxwell part that's here. I don't know. Maybe a future rat rod. But check out that straight axle. Is that crazy? Boom, it's bent. And it was like that when we drug it out. Can't see the Maxwell on the cap there, but a couple of rings. Rim rings, I guess you'd call them. So anyway, we'll try to figure out how to get out of here now. And we're off through the woods. There's a trail over there, you can't see it, but we're going to take it. And we'll get this old Maxwell out of here. God willing. Oops. Alright. Need somebody else to film because I'm going to have to shut this thing off so I can hold on to it. I'm almost positive. But we'll get it up on the road out of the woods here and get another photo of it here. Okay, it's not easy getting footage because I got to keep stopping and helping move stuff. But that's the trail. You can see the road up there. You get through these trees. I think we got somewhat of an open trail. Oh, all right, back to moving stuff around. After a small observation of thinking we were going to take it through there, we found out that pine tree right there is in our way. So we just turn it around. Oh, see, can't get good help nowadays, just sitting around. And then we're going to take it through there. So, change of plans. We'll see what we get like when we get to the next set of trees. Okay, so here's our next obstacle of trees. I think we'll make it past. This is the way we brought the other ones out. Well, it looks like I should probably move some brush. In a second here. Alright, so here's the last little bit to the road. We made it through there. Try to get some footage without getting in the way. You can't tell it, but it's steep. Really steep right here. So we'll see. You gotta square it up. You can't hit that side hill and you'll roll for sure. So there he goes. You can't tell how steep it is, but it is. Look at that thing rise up. Alright, he made it once again. And the Maxwell is on the way to be put on the trailer. So here's an old transmission he uses for a fence weight, I guess. Anyway, let's get through here and see if we can't watch this thing come through the fence. The gate, I should say. Oh yeah, lots of room. Not a problem. All the room in the world. So, at a spot in this Maxwell, I got 3 different of these old parts and pieces. So, let's take a look at his scenery that he has to look at every day. Talk about nice scenery, huh? The planes, jet planes, fly over my house. They fly down below his, down this valley, which is above my house. The planes are, anyway. Alright, so we'll get around next time you see it. We'll be on the car trailer.